Patented design fits sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Consult manufacturer website for specific vehicle fit information. Side straps for increased lateral stability. Single configuration design eliminates setup hassles and headaches during installation. Individual tie-down secure and protect bicycles. Padded lower frame keeps bicycles away from vehicle. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging, 70 pounds max capacity. Comes fully assembled, setup and installs in seconds. 12-inch long carry arms easily accommodate a wide range of bicycle styles, and 115-inch wide carry arms for greater bike compatibility. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. Important: please consult manufacturer web page for specific vehicle fit. Patented individual tie-down system. Allen's patented individual tie-down system secures and protects your bicycles. The tie-downs are fixed in position on the carry arm, but rotate so that they can engage a wide range of bicycle frame sizes and styles. Patented design fits sedans, SUVs, hatchbacks, and minivans. The patented single configuration design fits a wide range of vehicles, and eliminates confusion during installation. The middle frame on the rack keeps bicycles away from your vehicle during transport. Please consult Allen Fit List for specific vehicle fit. Side straps for lateral stability on vehicle. 2 side straps, in addition to rugged top and bottom straps, deliver exceptional stability for the rack when on your vehicle. This ensures that you and your bikes reach your destination safely. Narrow set carry arms for easy bike loading. The 102DN's carry arms will accommodate a wide range of bicycle frame styles and sizes. Most traditional adult-size bicycles, as well as most women's and children's frames, can be quickly installed onto the rack. Top reviews from the United States.